Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be about how to fix Genshin Impact Primogems not showing in 2026. This is commonly due to network issues, in-app glitches, or because your purchase did not go through if you had purchased Primogems. For that, the first thing that you can try and do is switch between your Wi-Fi and mobile data. You can also try toggling airplane mode on and off on your device. If that does not work, simply head over to settings, head over to apps, tap on see all apps, head over to the search bar and then search for Genshin Impact in the search bar. Tap on Genshin Impact, tap on storage and cache, clear the cache of Genshin Impact and try again. If that does not work, you can head over to Play Store, you head over to you at the bottom right of your screen, tap on your profile at the top right of your screen, head over to payments and subscriptions and make sure that your payment methods are validated and your payment methods do have enough amount in them. You can also head over to subscriptions and make sure that you can also head over to your budget history and make sure that your purchase went through. After you have made sure of these things, what you can do is simply head over to Genshin Impact and then check again. If the issue still persists, simply head over to your quick settings, tap on your power icon, restart your device and try again. And if that does not work, what you can do is either try contacting Genshin support. For any further questions, please feel free to leave a comment down below.